Hey guys, this is Master B again. So now you can see the professional and very nice job that printed by Master B from Focus. We can see the printed result. The white ink, and first is the hot melt powder and stick on the surface of the white ink, and the color ink on the back side. All the picture without any white ink overlap, and all the hot melt powder are baking equal, and the pixel, the resolution is very good. Also the color is vivid. After we got the nice print job, we can start to transfer the picture on the t-shirt. So first we cut down the film of the print. See, must be scissors, very clean, sharp. Then we can take out the roller. We loosen this screw, the boss screw. Then we can take out the whole roller. We can take out the job of the print. So we can see it's very nice. Let's show the whole picture for you. Let's see. Very nice design and also very nice job. Okay, so we can start to cut one picture and we start to transfer on our t-shirt. For must be, I think I love these animals. Very nice. I cut these animals. It's like a dog, huh? Or cat. I think maybe it's dog. So we can see the picture. DTF print. Equal hot melt. No white ink overlap. Then we start to transfer on t-shirts. So first we turn on the heating press machine. We set the temperature by 180 degrees, and the heating time is 25 seconds or 20 seconds. So first we're waiting for the temperature moving up. 15 to 20 seconds for heating transfer, and temperature is 180. So after the temperature is okay, then we put the new t-shirt without transfer. We put it on the surface of the heating press machine. Be careful your finger. Put the position that you want to see it. Then we put the film that with hot melt powder surface, this surface, on the top of the t-shirt we want to transfer. Then we start to heat press. Under 180 degrees and 15 seconds. And also must adjust the pressure. After time is okay, then we can take it out. And also the film have the cold transfer and hot transfer setting. So this is cold transfer. So we just did waiting for several seconds after transfer, after heating. Then we start to remove. After the picture, the film cold about 1 minute to make it cold, then we can start to remove the film out. So easy to remove. So we have the nice print out job printed by Master B. Let's see it. T-shirt. Nice job. Dog. Oh, dog. Transfer on T-shirt. Okay, so this is all the procedure to transfer the film on the T-shirt. And also you can transfer the picture on any other material like polyester, jeanswear, fabric, carbons. Thank you.